In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Switchere. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. After this, click on Switchere, so with the logo up top left, and then when doing this, you're going to see this widget here on the right, and this is where you can buy your Bitcoin. So the way you can do this is you first want to select your currency you want to send. So let's say I want to do some USD. And then let's say I want to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, and here you want to select BTC, so Bitcoin as the asset you want to actually get, and then you want to select your payment method down here. Now, of course, it's up to you which one you choose, and of course, whichever you choose, it's going to depend on how your further process is going to look like. So each and every one of these is going to have a bit of a different step-by-step process in the next steps, so just be aware of that, but all of them will take you step by step, and it will guide you all the way through, so of course, you'll be able to complete your payment successfully. I'm gonna go with Visa or MasterCard, and I'm gonna click on buy. When I do this, you first have to enter in your Bitcoin wallet address, and the way you do this is, of course, you want to open up your wallet where you want to receive your Bitcoin. I'm gonna use Trust Wallet, but you can use any wallet you want, and then you want to first unlock the wallet. So if I do this really quickly, there we go. And then you want to search for Bitcoin. For me, I have it under crypto over here. As you can see, BTC. I'm going to click on that, click on receive to actually get the receiving address. There we go. And this is now my address. I'm going to copy it and paste it in here. And then I can click on buy. Now, when I do this over here, it's going to take me to the next step. And the next step is basically going to be the process of where you can get through your payment. Okay. So for me, because I selected a credit card or debit card, so Visa or MasterCard, it's going to take me to that page. But for you, if you selected any of the other payment options, you'll be able to, of course, do that too. So for me, as you can see, I can add Google Pay or a new card and then just go ahead and actually make a payment and receive my Bitcoin. But if you chose anything else, then the process is going to be slightly different, but still it's going to guide you all the way through. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.